Welcome back to my channel. Let's make chia pudding, which is great for weight loss. We start by taking black chia seeds in a bowl and adding coconut milk to it. Coconut milk can be homemade or store bought, giving it a good mix to combine. To this we add honey or maple syrup to taste. Refrigerate these for a couple of hours. And then with the help of ice cream scoop or measuring cup, we divide the chia pudding into small serving glasses. Top it with the choice of flavors like vanilla, orange zest or cinnamon. Then we top it with the choice of toppings like berries, nuts, nut butter or chocolate. Enjoy these cold immediately or refrigerate these to enjoy it the next day. It always tastes so good. Next up, we are making protein balls. To make the protein balls, we take coconut oil in a pan and add some soft dates. In case we do not have soft dates, we can soak dates in warm water and add some baking soda to soften the dates. Mix and mash the dates to form a pulp. To this, we will add peanut butter, which is high in protein, powdered flax seeds or flax meal, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds and some chocolate chips if you like. Some roasted desiccated coconut along with some chopped almonds. Roasting is optional but add tons of flavor to the nut balls, so do not skip this step. Some salt to balance the flavors and some powdered cinnamon for flavor and balancing sugar levels. Then we mix the mixture well to combine to make small tennis sized balls. These balls are about 20 to 25 grams and gives enough protein for moderate activity. These protein balls can be coated with cocoa powder, which gives a bittersweet flavor to the nuts. Great for adults who love dark chocolate. I totally love the flavor of powdered pistachio and the lovely green color. Coconut is loved by everyone and a coating of coconut is mostly liked when you plan to gift. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends and family. Till then, see you with another healthy video. Happy eating!